So, did you get the job?
Well, no, but not no. So they said they're gonna give me an email and arrange an interview, but they kind of they said it in a way as if to say, you know, oh, you've got a job, but we're not saying it yet because like they're really confident in me, but not in the same way that, you know what I mean. Anyway, yeah. So I'm just waiting on that email, and then I'll be fine, and I'll be good.
Nice. Well, I've got to move. I will see you later.
Right, yeah.
Bye.
I'll let you skedaddle. Bye.
You got the assignment then?
Well, I mean, I'll be honest, I haven't been feeling too great recently. I kind of just got home yesterday, straight to sleep.
Yeah.
You know, I didn't get anything done.
That's fair.
Yeah, I did check my emails though.
Yeah.
And I got the interview.
Nice.
And they seem to be rushing it a bit, because
Yeah.
it's tonight.
Oh, blimey.
Yeah, I know.
That's really sudden.
That's really soon. I'm a bit worried about it, because I have got a bit of a cold.
Oh, okay.
I'm hoping that doesn't, you know, make an impression.
Yeah. That's
Yeah. But I'm sure it'll be fine.
Yeah.
You know, so
Well,
I'm looking forward to that. I can't wait.
Yeah, I mean, it's good, man. Yeah. Well, good luck with your assignment, and I hope you feel better soon.
Thanks. Yeah.
So,
We better be getting to class, right?
Oh, yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, okay.
I mean,
Yeah.
Jesus.
Is there anything else that I should know?
Nothing except that I'm just really excited to get working with you.
Oh, that's so good. Speaking of which, how does Wednesday sound to you?
Wednesday sounds Wednesday sounds great. Yeah. Sorry, I got a
It's
bit
okay.
of
Would you like a tissue?
yeah, that'd be great. Thanks.
Let's hope that cold clears up before you start.
Yeah, no, wonderful.
So, all that's left to do is to sign. All that's. You okay? Do you need a minute?
Oh, sorry. I'm just.
Well, all that's left to do is to sign some paperwork and shake on it.
Yeah, sounds great. Here we go. Oh, hey.
You're right?
Yeah, good.
Yeah, cool. How was the interview?
Well, you were right. I blew them away.